Want to make money while you sleep? Let's dive into 5 digital products you can create once and sell over and over again. No shipping, no inventory, and no customer service headaches. First up, we have ebooks and guides. These are fantastic for sharing your knowledge. You can write a short, helpful guide ranging from 5 to 20 pages. Think about topics like budgeting, mindset, marketing tips, or even niche how-tos. Use ChatGPT for inspiration or lean on your own expertise. Design it beautifully with Canva and then sell it on platforms like Gumroad or Payhip. Price it between $7 and $29 and watch the sales roll in. Next, let's talk about templates and swipe files. These are incredibly popular on Etsy and Gumroad. You can create Notion dashboards, social media planners, or even email swipe files. Bundling your templates can be a game changer, allowing you to upsell premium packs for $20 to $50. The demand for these products is huge, and they save people time, which is invaluable. Moving on to printable planners. Think weekly planners, meal trackers, habit logs, or goal sheets. Use Canva to design them and offer them as PDFs. These products cater to the productivity and wellness niches, and you only need a few good designs to start making consistent sales on Etsy. The beauty of printables is that they're easy to create and can be sold indefinitely. Now, let's explore editable Canva designs. You can design templates for Instagram posts, resumes, or pitch decks. Share the template link with Use Template, access, and charge between $5 and $25 per file. Creators and small business owners love these because they save time and effort. It's a win-win situation. Finally, we have AI prompt packs. With the rise of ChatGPT, selling curated prompt packs is a goldmine. Consider niche examples like real estate prompts, social media captions, or fitness coaching scripts. Create a collection of 50 to 100 prompts and sell them as a PDF or Google document. They're simple to make, and there's a high demand for them. Digital products are one of the easiest ways to build repeat income with zero overhead. Pick one that resonates with you. Keep it simple and start selling. The potential is limitless, and you can create a sustainable income stream that works for you even while you sleep.